Yeah, I never knew. Bottom drawer first, then the top drawer. You've got to push it up and over this. That's probably the worst part. I'm sure the lines are just as bad, but once you get the top drawer out, I saw, you can take that off and you can take that off. But I'd say that you take this off and get back there. That's probably the most important. It's a good reminder to run the clean cycle. As for the teardown on this, you can see how many screws it took to figure that out. They didn't make it easy, but they did build a window, and I wish someone had shown me that.